Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest videos of our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Check out the links below in the video description for all the popular videos of our channel.
A keto diet is well known for being a low-carb diet, where the body produces ketones in the liver to be used as energy. It's referred to as many different names: ketogenic diet, low-carb diet, low-carb high-fat, LCHF, etc. When you eat something high in carbs, your body will produce glucose and insulin. And the glucose is being used as a primary energy. Typically on a normal, higher carbohydrate diet, the body will use glucose as the main form of energy. By lowering the intake of carbs, the body is induced into a state known as ketosis. Ketosis is a natural process the body initiates to help us survive when food intake is low. During this state, we produce ketones, which are produced from the breakdown of fats in the liver. The end goal of a properly maintained keto diet is to force your body into this metabolic state. We don't do this through starvation of calories but starvation of carbohydrates. Our bodies are incredibly adaptive to what you put into it. When you overload it with fats and take away carbohydrates, it will begin to burn ketones as the primary energy source. Optimal ketone levels offer many health, weight loss, physical and mental performance benefits. Benefits of a ketogenic diet. There are numerous benefits that come with being on keto, from weight loss and increased energy levels to therapeutic medical applications. Most anyone can safely benefit from eating a low-carb, high-fat diet. Weight loss. The ketogenic diet essentially uses your body fat as an energy source, so there are obvious weight loss benefits. On keto, your insulin, the fat-storing hormone, levels drop greatly, which turns your body into a fat-burning machine. Control blood sugar. Keto naturally lowers blood sugar levels due to the type of foods you eat. Studies even show that the ketogenic diet is a more effective way to manage and prevent diabetes compared to low-calorie diets. Mental focus. Many people use the ketogenic diet specifically for the increased mental performance. Ketones are a great source of fuel for the brain. When you lower carb intake, you avoid big spikes in blood sugar. Together, this can result in improved focus and concentration. Increased energy and normalized hunger. By giving your body a better and more reliable energy source, you will feel more energized during the day. Fats are shown to be the most effective molecule to burn as fuel. On top of that, fat is naturally more satisfying and ends up leaving us in a satiated state for longer. Epilepsy. The ketogenic diet has been used since the early 1900s to treat epilepsy successfully. It is still one of the most widely used therapies for children who have uncontrolled epilepsy today. It allows fewer medications to be used while still offers excellent control. Cholesterol and blood pressure. A keto diet has shown to improve triglyceride levels and cholesterol levels most associated with arterial buildup. More specifically, low-carb, high-fat diets show a dramatic increase in HDL and decrease in LDL particle concentration compared to low-fat diets. Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes if left unmanaged. An abundant amount of research shows that a low-carb, ketogenic diet can help people lower their insulin levels to healthy ranges. Acne. It's common to experience improvements in your skin when you switch to a ketogenic diet. One study that shows a probable connection between high-carb eating and